game is by Luke Sal, and it says, "Welcome to PlayStation World. Get to the goal. Thanks for playing." This, if you guys haven't seen, Luke has a ton of games on the arcade. This is his first one. I liked pretty much all of the ones that he made, but I figured I'd start with PlayStation World 1. Luke, my suggestion would be to add in some terrain blocks. Let's make this look a little cooler, right? So we've got a PlayStation. We're going through. We're collecting coins. I love how you use the key in the door. Definitely makes it cool and challenging. He only gave me 1 heart. I've played this several times and died already. So we're going to get all the coins. We're going to have a change. We get a little faster. He says, "Hi, Tommy. Tommy, it's a moving PS5. I'm going to die. I don't have a weapon. How do you know my name? Your game is made by the same creator as mine. Luke Sal is a master. I was walking here and I saw moving consoles. They are Xboxes. I saw this portal, wondering where it goes. Only one way to find out." And so he has a series of games that you can play. Nice job, Luke. I like it a lot. Playdate by Reed Miranda, and he's made another series of games. Super cool. I'm playing this for the first time, so wish me some luck because I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, it looks like I'm supposed to talk to this guy. "Rolly, you have to deliver clay to King Duck. Hurry up now. Watch out for fire bras." Okay. So we're going to be taking some clay, it looks like. I really like the ground here. Oh, we had a music change. Very cool. Music change, and you can see that my guy changed. I'm gonna probably... I love the ladder. So cool. Good job, Reed. There's the fire guys. Look at this. Rolly sees a sudden rip in the world. What can this mean? It's continued in part 2, just like Luke's game. So there's a lot more going on in here, but very cool. Nice job, Reed. Go try that. Choose my path might be the winning one. Let's go that way instead. So it's kind of like I'm flying. I don't know what Ren did to make this. Go through the flower field to get to the next part. Okay, flower field is always cool. I like that. It looks like you put that over some water features. Don't worry, the robots are friendly. So we've got some friendly bots. They're saying something to me. Hello. That's cool. And then we're at the end. Very cool, Ren. I like it how it's kind of like choose your own adventure. Nice job. Chloe Wilkinson. This is her drone game. The only person that actually, I think, kind of followed the rules of making a game about drones. So, yay, Chloe. So she's got her little drone. I love the background. Looks very cool. I'm just going to kind of follow the path. Ooh, I see some hearts down there. Might want to go down that way. I don't really need them. Oh, the heart's damage. Did you see that? Don't touch those. They're tricky. Alright, we're going down the path. I really like your little purple drone. It looks cool. I'm just going to kind of keep following and going down. That's taking me over some lava. Thank you for the bridge. I'm just going to keep following. So it looks like we're going down a path. Kind of cool. Really like the terrain feature. And I kind of like how it gives me some direction for where to go. Ooh, some packages to pick up and deliver. That was the ultimate goal of all of this. So it says there's 134 packages. So we got a ways to go. Oh, I don't know what that did for me, but just gonna keep going. Ooh. Stay away from the spikes. Oh, there's a bunch of packages over there. Chloe, I really like this. It's kind of fun. Going up and down. Got to figure out how to get over there. But, yeah, great job. Thank you for actually sticking with the theme. I'm going to say that you are my ultimate winner. Nice job, girl.